Hello children, I am Amit Toshniwal. You are welcome to Digi classes of Christ Church Convent, Gatawara. We are continuing our chapter Reconstitution of Partnership for Standard 12th Accountancy. Today we will discuss two more topics, subtitles. First is specific terms about valuation of goodwill, and second is methods of calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is that capacity which makes business to earn more profit than normal profit. It's a reputation for which we need to find some kind of profits. First one is normal profit. Normal profit means the profit which is earned by any of the business of the same kind and in the ratio of capital invested by businessman. So you can say normal profit formula: capital employed by the firm multiply normal rate of profit upon 100. So if capital employed is 5 lakh, rate of profit is 10% upon 100. Two zeros are cancelled. 5,000 multiply 10 is equal to 50,000 is normal profit. Okay. Second is actual profit. Actual profit means the profit which is earned by the firm in a particular financial year at the end of year. So that is called actual profit. So it is not necessary that every time, every year, firm will get profit. It may suffer a loss. So we can say actual profit may be positive, it means profit; negative, it means loss; or it may be zero, no profit, no loss. Actual profit may be positive, negative, or zero. Positive means firm is securing profit gain. Negative, firm is suffering a loss. Zero, no profit, no loss. Then third is average profit. To find out average profit, we make the total of all profits of previous years, certain years which are asked in question, and in any of the years business suffers a loss, so loss is subtracted out of those profits, sum of profits. In case first year profit is 10,000, second year profit is 20,000, third year profit 15,000, and fourth year profit is in fourth year it is suffering a loss in suppose 1,000 rupees. So loss is subtracted and all the profits are added to when we find average profit. Then profits of previous years, certain years which are asked in question, all profits are added while loss subtracted and divided by number of years: first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Total number of years are 4. 20 plus 10, 30, 40, 45. 45 minus 1, 44. So 44,000 upon 4, it comes to rupees 11,000. That is average profit. So we can write its formula. Average profit is equal to total of profits less losses of certain years upon number of years. Okay. Fourth, super profit. Super profit means if a business has got capacity to earn more than normal profit, so it is called super profit. So actually it is the difference between actual profit minus normal profit. It was assumed business will earn 10% profit every year, but in a particular year it earns 13%. How much? 13%. So 13% is actual profit, and normal return of rate of return जो है, it is 10%. So business is earning 3% extra profit, excess. That excess or extra profit is called super profit. So we are talking in terms of percentage. We can talk in terms of rupees also. In case actual profit is 60,000 and normal profit is rupees 50,000, so our super profit will be rupees 10,000. So this is extra profit. So that is why formula for super profit is actual profit minus normal profit. The next topic, methods of calculation of goodwill. So first method is average profit method. Calculation of goodwill is done many times at the time of admission of a new partner, retirement, death, or changing of profit sharing ratio, at the time of revaluation of assets and liabilities, and when dissolution of partnership or dissolution of firm. So in any case we need to find amount of goodwill. So there are many methods. We'll go one by one. First method is average profit method. So average profit method means you have to find average profit first, and you can find out average profit by using this formula. What formula? Total of profits less losses of certain years upon number of years. You can find out average profit. But make a note that while finding average profits, you have to see that if there is any abnormal gain during year, then it is subtracted from profit. If abnormal loss is there, it is added. Abnormal loss means which is not expected and happens during the year, like theft, fire, rotting. Okay, these are abnormal losses. Manipulation, anything else. So abnormal loss are added, abnormal gains are subtracted, and income from non-business activities are subtracted. Non-business activities means activities which are not related to trading. Trading means purchasing and selling. It is not a part of turnover. It's a part of the revenue generated from other sources like interest, discount, commission, rent, etc. So these are the incomes or revenues received by a business by non-business activities. So such incomes are not added to profit and they are subtracted. And hence, after finding out average profit, we apply formula value of goodwill. So this is first method, year purchase method, for which formula is average profit multiply number of year purchase. So number of year purchase will be given in question कि how many years, number of year purchase you have to take. So it is always given in question, and when it is not given, 2 years are taken as per accounting rules. Okay, I will write a little more, some more methods of finding value of goodwill. Okay, let me write first, then I will explain you. Okay.